In this video, I want to show you how to program and use this lock, the RELIABILT keypad lock. Okay, so what we're going to do first is to reset the lock, and that's going to remove all the existing codes and restore the factory default settings so we can set new codes. Okay, this is going to help you if you've lost your code or you just moved into a new house and want to remove all codes and set new ones. Okay, so to reset this lock, we need to go to the interior assembly. Okay, next you want to remove the battery cover. This is the battery cover right here. Slide the cover up and remove it. Okay, so the next step is to get a pin. You want to get a pin or a pen. Okay, so there's a pin hole right here, and that's the reset hole. Okay, so you want to insert this inside and press and hold it. Okay, so get it in, press and hold it. Keep holding. Okay, once you hear those 3 short beeps, the reset is complete. Okay, so what you want to do next is to perform the door handing detection. The lock needs to learn the orientation of your door to know if your door is a right or left-handed door. Okay, so make sure you don't skip this step because your lock might not work properly if you don't run the door handing. Okay, so to run the door handing, we need to go to the keypad. Okay, now enter the default programming code. Press this button. Okay, press 0 and hit this button. Okay, you can see the movement of the bolt. The bolt has extended and retracted to learn the orientation of the door. Okay, so the door handing process is complete. Okay, the next step is to change the default programming code. This code can be used to program your lock, so you need to change it. To change this code, the first step is to enter the code. Hit this button. Now press 4 and hit this button. Now enter your new programming code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is going to be 332255. Hit this button. Okay, you're going to hear 2 beeps and see 2 green flashes here, meaning your code has been changed. Okay, so your new programming code is now active, and that's what you're going to use for other programming. Okay, next we want to remove the default user code. This code can unlock your door. Let me show you how it works. Press this to lock, and to unlock, let's enter the default user code, 1234. Hit this button. Okay, so you can see this code can unlock your door, so you need to remove it. To remove this code, the first step is to enter your programming code, your current programming code. Hit this button. Okay, now you want to press 2 and hit this button. So enter the code you want to remove. Okay, so 1234. Hit this button. Okay, the code has been removed. Okay, so you're going to hear 2 beeps and see 2 green flashes here, meaning the code has been removed. Okay, so now we can add user codes. A user code for this lock is a 4 to 10 digit code that you can use to unlock your door from the outside, and this lock allows you to add up to 6 user codes. Okay, so to add a user code, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit this button. Okay, now you want to press 1 and hit this button. Now enter your new code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine here is going to be 1166. Hit this button. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning the code has been added. Okay, so let's test it. Hit this button to lock, and to unlock, let's enter the new code. Hit this button. Okay, so you can see the code is active. And if you want to add another code, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit this button. Now press 1 and hit this button. Okay, enter your new user code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so my second code here is going to be 5544. Hit this button. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning the code has been added. Okay, so let's test it again. Hit this button to lock, and to unlock, let's enter the new code. Hit this button. Okay, the code is active. And if you want to remove a user code you added, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit this button. Okay, now you want to press 2 and hit this button. Now enter the code you want to remove. Okay, hit this button. Okay, you're going to hear 2 beeps and see 2 green flashes here, meaning the code has been removed. Okay, so let's test it to confirm. Press this button to lock. Okay, and to unlock, let's try the code we just removed. Okay, it's not working. The code has been removed. Okay, so let's enter an active code. Okay, that one is still active. Okay, so that's how to remove a user code you added. And if you want to remove all user codes at once, the first step is to enter your programming code. Press this button, and now you want to press 3 and hit this button. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning all user codes have been removed from this lock. Okay, so that's how to remove all user codes at once. And the next thing we want to do is to set auto lock. Okay, so to do this, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit this button. Now you want to press 5 and hit this button. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning auto lock is now turned on. Okay, so now your door is going to lock after 30 seconds, but you can set your time. If you want to set your time, enter your programming code. Hit this button, and now you want to press 6 and hit this button. Now enter your time, 10 to 99 seconds. Okay, so mine is going to be 10 seconds. Hit this button. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning your time is set. Okay, so let's wait 10 seconds to see how it's going to lock. Okay, so that's how auto lock works. Let's unlock it. Okay, and if you want to cancel auto lock, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit this button. Okay, now you want to press 5 and hit this button. Okay, so that's it. Auto lock is cancelled. Okay, so the next thing we want to do here is to turn off the keypad sound. Okay, if you're not okay with the sound on the keypad, you want to turn it off. Okay, so to do this, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit this button. Okay, and now you want to press 7 and hit this button. Okay, 2 beeps and 2 green flashes, meaning the sound is turned off. Okay, so let's test it. Okay, so you can see the keypad sound is gone. Okay, and if you want to turn it back on, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit this button, and now you want to press 7 and hit this button. Okay, the sound is back. Let's test it. Okay, so you can see the keypad sound is back. Okay, so that's how to turn on and turn off the keypad sound. Okay, next I want to show you how to set a one-time code. A one-time code can only be used once. Okay, so once the code is used, it's going to be removed. Okay, so to set a one-time code, the first step is to enter your programming code. Hit this button. Okay, and now you want to press 9 and hit this button. Now enter your one-time code, 4 to 10 digits. Okay, so mine is going to be 1177. Hit this button. Okay, the code has been added. Okay, so let's test it. Hit this button to lock. Okay, and now to unlock, let's enter the one-time code we just added. Hit this button. Okay, so that's it. Now let's lock it again and try the one-time code to see if it's going to work. Okay, so let's try the code to unlock. Okay, you can see it's not working, it's been removed. Okay, so the code only works once. Okay, now let's enter an active code. Okay, so that's how to program and use this lock. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.